So, a warm welcome, dear students, to the last session of admission of a partner. Now, today, in this session, I am going to discuss with you all the last case of goodwill, that is, goodwill is valued and written off. So, whenever adjustment is given, hope you all are familiar with all other adjustments. So, whenever they say goodwill is valued and written off. So, I taught you in last class how to value the goodwill. Goodwill valued. You know, it should be distributed among old partners, dear. Right? But when they say it is written off also, then it is very important that how to write off the goodwill. In the sense, eliminate the goodwill. We don't want to maintain the goodwill. In the last class, we prepared goodwill account, we wrote for partners. And that we have shown in the balance sheet. But now they are telling it is written off. Means goodwill should not be shown in the books of accounts. So the subject is what here? The subject says that valued, it should be valued in the sense distribute among old partners in old ratio. Whereas when they say written off, very important, written off should be done among all partners in new ratio. In which ratio? New ratio. Usually they'll give new ratio. If they are not giving the new ratio, you know how to calculate. I taught you in the first session how to calculate the new profit ratio. But generally they'll give you the new profit ratio. So valued, written off. Now we are doing the solution number 15, dear, from your textbook. You can see page number 250. So as usual, you can see there is mistake in the question. Just rectify it. Capitals, if you see on the liability side, it is printed as Ram and Rahim. It is Naidu and Shekhar. Please make a change. There is a mistake. So kindly check. If you see bills payable, creditors, outstanding expense, capital of Naidu and Shekhar. Then they give cash at bank, data, stock, machine, building. Same you all know. Now, Harish is admitted. And Harish brought 2 lakhs as capital. Appreciate stock by 20,000. By 20,000 they told. Last class I taught the difference. And that we got the depreciation. But today they're telling appreciate. Then machine depreciated by 26,000. Outstanding expense 10,000 not required. Last class we saw creditors were increasing. Today we'll see creditors are decreasing. So we'll mark adjustment on outstanding expense. Then the theme of the problem. Goodwill of the firm is valued 60,000 and this is written off immediately. Written off immediately. Valued, written off. Valued among who? Valued among old partners. Written off among all partners. Then the new profit ratio is 3:2:1. Why they gave new profit ratio? So that we can write off the goodwill. Okay. Now we'll start the solution. You see cash account, goodwill, revaluation, partners capital, balance sheet. All the accounts are ready. Now we'll start the posting. So to start the posting, I'll take up today liability side here. So if we see liability number 1, we have bills payable. So I'll go to liability and write bills payable. How much is bills payable amount? My bills payable amount is 40,000. Then creditors. I am writing creditors 60,000. Then outstanding expense. It has an adjustment. So carefully we'll write outstanding expense, but we'll write in inner column 40,000. Then we have capitals. So by balance brought down. How much is the capital of Naidu? 3,60,000. Then Shekhar, 3 lakhs. Please correct the name of the partner. Then cash. Cash account as it is, to balance brought down. How much is the cash balance? 20,000. Then they gave cash at bank. Cash at bank. As it is asset, 80,000. We'll post 80,000. Then debtors. No adjustment on debtors. So we can write directly debtors 1,20,000. Then stock. There is an adjustment. So we'll write in inner column 80,000. Then machinery. Even in machinery we have an adjustment. So machinery 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs. Then buildings. No adjustment on building. So directly we can write in outer column building. Building 3 lakhs. You may be thinking why the gap is left. You all know we have to give adjustment there. So all the postings are over. Now we'll start with the adjustments. What the adjustment says? In the adjustment, they said that Harish, who is a new partner, brought 2 lakhs as capital. So we know the entry. Cash account debit to Harish capital. So again, to Harish capital. He brought 2 lakhs. Cash to Harish. So in Harish, buy cash. Buy cash 2 lakhs. So we gave him capital of 2 lakhs. Then stock is appreciated by 20,000 here. Directly they gave you the value of increase. They told it has to be increased by 20,000. So I'll go to stock and I'll write add increase. Add increase. How much it is increased? It is increased by 20,000. So the stock value is today 1 lakh. This is an appreciation. So revaluation, credit side, buy stock 20,000. Then machine is depreciated by 26,000. They gave directly the amount. So depreciation minus depreciation 26,000. So 1,74,000. Now this 26,000, you know, revaluation debit side to machinery 26,000. Then outstanding expense 10,000 not required, they told. Not required means liability is going to reduce. In the sense, there are some expense which we are not supposed to pay. So liability is decreasing. So we'll go to outstanding expense minus not required. How much is not required? 10,000. So 30,000. What happened to liability? Liability is decreasing. Decrease in liability is a income. It's a sort of income for us. So we'll credit to revaluation by outstanding expense. How much? 10,000. Then comes the theme of the problem. Goodwill of the firm is valued 60,000 and is written off. So first we'll value, then we'll write off. So see here, for valued. So for goodwill valued, which ratio we'll use? Old ratio. What is old ratio? 3:2. Now I'll divide the goodwill. How much is the goodwill? 60,000 divided by 3:2. 3 plus 2, 5. So 5 12s are 60. So 12,000 here. Now I'll find the share of Naidu. So here Naidu. 12,000 into 3, 36,000. Then Shekhar. 12,000 into 2. 12 twos are 24. 36, 24, 60 we got. Valued. So we are valuing the goodwill. When we value the goodwill entries, goodwill to partners. So goodwill account debit to, who is the partner number 1? Naidu. Who is partner number 2? Shekhar. So Naidu got 36,000. Shekhar got 24. So second effect by goodwill. 36,000, 24,000. Postings I have done, ma. Now, written off. Very important one. Written off. Okay. Now see. Goodwill is written off. So, for goodwill written off. Which ratio I told? New ratio. What is the new ratio they gave us? They gave in new ratio. What is the new ratio given? They gave us 3:2:1, dear. Now I'll divide again. 60,000 divided by 3 to 1. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. So 6 tens are 60. Now I'll find the share. N. 10,000 into 3, 30,000. S. 10,000 into 2, 20,000. Then who is the new one? Harish. Even for him we have to write off the goodwill. 10,000. 30, 20, 50 plus 10, 60. Goodwill is written off. What is the entry for goodwill written off? All partners account debit to goodwill. All partners account debit to goodwill, dear. So Naidu account, Shekhar account, Harish account. These are the partners. So all partners account debit. So I'll go to partners account debit side to goodwill. Carefully. To goodwill. How much Naidu got? 30,000. Here 20,000. Here 10,000. One effect is over. So all partners to goodwill. Partners are debited. Goodwill is credited. So we'll go to goodwill account, credit side by Naidu capital. How much is Naidu? 30,000. Then by Shekhar. How much is Shekhar capital? Shekhar capital is all amount 20,000. Then by Harish. Carefully. Even new partner is debited. 10,000. So, posting is over. Once again, I am repeating. Goodwill valued. Only old partners you will distribute. Written off among all partners in new ratio, dear. So, all the postings are over. Now, we'll start closing the accounts. So, as it is cash account, nothing is there. Simple way, you can close the cash account. 2,20,000. So, by balance carried down. 2,20,000. So, in the middle, I am closing with 2,20,000. Now, I'll bring down the balance. To balance brought down 2,20,000. Cash. New cash will come in the balance sheet. 2,20,000. Then goodwill. If you see goodwill, what happened? Debit, credit. Both are equal. Valued, written off. Raised, written off. Created, written off. It became equal. So goodwill account got balanced. It is equal. So we'll close goodwill both the sides with 60,000. So there is no balance of goodwill. So no goodwill in the sense We are not going to show anything in the balance sheet. Then revaluation account. So as it is again, we'll do the revaluation account working notes. Debit total 26,000. Credit 20,000, 10,000. If we add, debit is 26, credit is 30,000. Now, credit is more again. So we'll get profit. Credit 30,000 minus debit 26,000. So we are getting profit of 4,000. Now, this 4,000 worth profit, again you will distribute among old partners in 3:2 ratio, dear. So, first I'll find the quotient of 4,000 upon 5. 5 8s are 40. 1, 2. 800 I am getting. Now I'll do the share of Naidu. 800 into 3. 2,400. Shekhar. 800 into 2, 1,600. Check. 24, 16, 40. 4,000 profit we got. Now, we'll go to partners account, debit side and write to Naidu capital, to Shekhar capital. 2,400, 1,600 and the account is closed with 30,000. So, by revaluation account in partners, 2,400, 1,600. Now comes the another important focal point of the problem, dear. Partners capital. Here you see we have debit balance also. So, even in Harish we have debit. So, carefully we'll close the partners capital. Who is first one? Our Naidu. I'll write the credit figures of Naidu. 3,60,000, 36,000, then 2,400, 0, 0, 4, 6 plus 2, 8, 6 plus 3, 9. 3,98,400 you are getting. From that, I'll minus his debit, which is 30,000. 0, 0, 4, 8, 6, 3. This is the new balance of Naidu. Then I'll do for Shekhar. I'll write the Shekhar's figure now. 3 lakhs, then 24,000, then 1,600. 0, 0, 6, 5, 2, 3. So credit total is 3,25,600. From that debit 20,000 will subtract. So 0, 0, 6, 5, 0, 3. 3,05,600. Now Harish. Credit 2 lakhs. Debit is 10,000. So here 2 lakhs total I wrote. I'll minus 10,000. 1,90,000. These are the new capitals. These capitals we are going to post. To balance carried down. 3,68,400. 3,05,600. 1,90,000. Close the partners capital. We are closing the partners capital and the total 3,98,400. 3,98,400. Then Shekhar 3,25,600. 3,25,600. And here it is 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs. We wrote. Now we'll bring down the balance here. The new balance by balance brought down. 3,68,400. 3,05,600. 1,90,000. These are the new capitals which we have to post to the liabilities side. So, first, whose capital? Naidu capital. 3,68,400. Then, Shekhar capital. 3,05,600. And Harish capital, that is new partner, it is not 2 lakhs, it is 1,90,000 because we have debited him with the goodwill which we have written off. So 1,90,000. So again the last part, balance sheet, we'll do the working. Asset, liability. Asset 80,000, 1,20,000. 1 lakh, you can see how I'm writing the figures. 1 lakh, 1,74,000, then 3 lakhs, 2 lakhs, 20,000. So 0, 0, 0. Here we have 4. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 7, 17, 18, 19. 9, 1 carried. 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6, 7, 8. 9. Assets are 9,94,000. Let us see whether liabilities also we get 9,94,000 or not. So liabilities 40,000, 60,000, 30,000, 3,68,400, 3,05,600 and 1,90,000. So 0, 0. 6 plus 4, 10. 8, 5, 13 plus 1, 14. 6 plus 4, 10, 13. 13 plus 6, 19, 20, 29. 9, 2 carry. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9. 9,94,000. Happily will come and will write both the sides 9,94,000. 9,94,000. So, if you see here, without any difficulty, in a very pleasant manner, in a very easy and systematic manner, we have done admission of a partner. So, whenever you come across a problem, general adjustments are there here. Like first one, always in admission, it will be about capital. Blindly, you can write cash to capital. Then appreciation, depreciation, common. Main focus must be on understanding the theme of goodwill here. Okay? 5 themes are there of goodwill. When privately brought in cash, withdrawn, valued and written off. 5 cases are there. Okay? These are the 5 cases here. And each case we have done the problem. Whenever you are revising, revise. Go to the link which is being provided by the Board of Intermediate. Whenever you are solving the problem, check and solve the problem. So, in a nutshell, I'll revise with you all. When goodwill is paid privately, no need of recording the goodwill in the books of accounts. When it is brought in cash, then the entry will be cash to goodwill and that will be distributed to partners. Keep in mind. Then, when they say goodwill brought in cash and withdrawn, as it is cash to goodwill, distribute to partners and immediately put on the debit side to cash. And that will come in the cash account credit side. Then valued. Valued means only you should distribute among old partners. And that valued part you will show in the goodwill account debit side, partners account credit side, and will transfer as asset. Then when goodwill is valued and written off, just now I have explained. These are the 5 cases of goodwill which are likely for examination. So dear students, this is the most important chapter, admission of a partner. One who knows the admission of a partner can easily do retirement of a partner, which is also a question which you can expect, either admission or retirement. Same process we are going to follow even for retirement. Same account, same structure, everything. Only the difference will be what? The difference will be whatever profits are to be distributed, it will be among all partners. And when we'll close the partners' capital, we'll settle the account whoever is retiring. That only will be the difference. That we'll discuss in the next session. But examination point of view, 90% chances are there for admission only. So hope you all have understood the admission of a partner, whatever I taught. So refer the textbook. I have done the questions from the textbooks only. So kindly refer the textbook whenever you are leisurely or getting the time. Focus, take out the notes and start practicing as much as possible. Having said this, thank you dear students. Have a nice day. Have a blessed day with 20 marks. Hope you all are having the confidence. You'll get 20 out of 20. I have confidence in you dear students, but practice. Practice makes the man perfect. Keep that principle in mind and go ahead with the partnership accounts. Thank you. God bless you all. Have a nice day.